Good morning, grade 2.
Good morning, teacher.
Please all stand up. Let us bow our head and feel the presence of the Lord without prayer.
Let us pray. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Amen.
Again, good morning, grade 2.
Good morning, teacher.
It seems that you don't have enough energy today. Would you like to sing and dance?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, let us sing and dance.
Teacher, I will sing. Exercise tayo tuwing umaga.
Okay, everybody, before you sit down, can you please pick up any kind of trash under your table and arrange your chair properly?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so class, who can give me an example of a classroom rules? Yes, Jelly Ace.
Raise your hand if you want to answer.
What else? Yes, Sarah Jane.
Listen, respect yourself and others.
Very good. So class, I have here our own classroom. I will read it first and then you will repeat it after me, okay?
Yes, teacher.
Classroom rules.
Classroom rules.
Listen when teacher is talking.
Listen when teacher is talking.
Raise your hand if you want to say something.
Raise your hand if you want to say something.
Respect yourself and others.
Respect yourself and others.
And never say lie.
And never say lie.
Very good. Class, I have here some words. I will read it first and then you will repeat it after me, okay?
Yes, teacher.
Sunlight.
Sunlight.
Sunburn.
Sunburn.
Harmful.
Harmful.
Sunglasses.
Sunglasses.
Dim light.
Dim light.
Shaking.
Shaking.
Very good. Now for this row, can you read it and then spell?
Sunlight. S-U-N-L-I-G-H-T. Sunlight.
Next, sunburn.
Sunburn. S-U-N-B-U-R-N. Sunburn.
Harmful.
Harmful. Harmful. Harmful.
Sunglasses.
Sunglasses. S-U-N-G-L-A-S-S-E-S. Sunglasses.
Dim light.
Dim light. D-I-M-L-I-G-H-T. Dim light.
Shaking.
Shaking. S-H-A-K-I-N-G. Shaking.
Very good. Now for this row, can you read it and then spell? Sunlight.
Sunlight. S-U-N-L-I-J-E. Sunlight.
Sunboard.
Sunburn. S-U-N-B-U-R-N. Sunburn. Harmful. H-A-R-M-F-U-L. Harmful.
Sunglasses.
Sunglasses. S-U-N-G-L-A-S-S-E-S. Sunglasses.
Dim light.
Dim lights. D-I-M-L-I-G-H-T. Dim light.
Shaking.
Shaking. S-H-A-K-I-N-G. Shaking.
Very good, class. I want you to remember these words because we are going to tackle it in our discussion later. So, class, I have prepared an activity for me to check if you still remember our previous discussion yesterday. Let us first read the direction. Direction.
Direction.
Put a happy face.
Put a happy face.
The picture described.
In the picture described,
Things with the use of our eyes.
things with the use of our eyes.
And sad face.
And sad face.
The pictures does not describe
To the picture does not describe
things with the use of our eyes.
things with the use of our eyes.
Now, for question number 1, who wants to answer? Yes, myself, please come here in front. Read first, eating an ice cream.
Eating an ice cream.
What do you think is eating? Is that face or happy face? Okay, thank you. You make note of that. Class, does the answer of myself is correct?
Yes, teacher.
Let us give her a 3 clap.
1, 2, 3.
Now for question number 2, who wants to answer? Yes, Ellie, please come here in front.
Viewing on painting.
Okay, viewing on the painting.
Viewing on painting.
Okay, what is your answer?
Happy face picture.
Very good. Thank you. You may know this now. Class, does the answer of Eric is correct?
Yes, teacher.
Very good. Now for the third question. Who wants to answer? Yes, Sarah Jane, please come here in front. Let us read it first. A girl reading a book.
A girl reading a book.
So what is your answer? Happy face or sad face?
Happy face, teacher.
Very good. Class, does the answer of Sarah Jane is correct?
Yes,
teacher.
Let us give her a 3 claps. Now, for the question number 4, who wants to answer? Yes, Angela, please come here in front. Read it first.
Watching a television.
What do you think is your answer? Happy face or
Happy face.
Thank you, Minasita. Class, does the answer of Angela is correct?
Yes,
Very
teacher.
good. Now, for the question number 5, who wants to answer?
Me.
Yes, Jelly Ace, please come here in front. Read it first. Listening to a music.
Listening to a music.
What is your answer? Happy face or sad face? Okay, thank you. Class, does the answer of Jelly Ace is correct?
Yes, teacher.
Good class. I am glad that you still remember our previous discussion yesterday. Now, class, I have here 2 pictures. Now, class, insert these 2 pictures. Now, class, What have you noticed about the two pictures and spot the difference of these two pictures? Yes, Sarah Jane.
The first picture, teacher, the girl is near at the TV.
How about the second picture?
The girl is far from the TV, teacher.
Very good. So which do you think is the best way to watch a television? It is near from the television or far from the television?
Far from the television,
Very
teacher.
good. So what will happen if you watch near from the television? Yes, Sarah Jane?
Our eyes will get hurt, teacher.
Very good. So if you watch near from the television, your eyes will get damaged. So class, make sure that you are far from the television when you are watching so that your eyes won't damage. Are we clear, grade 2?
Yes, teacher.
Very good. Now class, I have here some pictures and I want you to observe these pictures silently, okay?
Yes, teacher.
I will ask you some questions later. So, observe these pictures, grade 2. Class, are you done observing the pictures?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. Now, class, what have you noticed in the first picture? Yes, Eric?
The boy is wearing sunglasses, teacher.
Very good. The boy is wearing his sunglasses. Class, today we are experiencing a hot weather. So when you go outside, what was your eyes will feel? Yes, Sarah Jane?
Will hurt, teacher.
Your eyes will get hurt. So, do you think our eyes can also get irritated?
Yes, teacher.
Good. So, what do you think you can wear? You can wear when you go outside to protect our eyes. Yes, myself.
We can wear sunglasses, teacher.
Very good. We can wear sunglasses. So, why do you think most people are wearing sunglasses at the beach? Yes, myself.
So that they can protect their eyes from the heat of the sun.
Very good. So that they can protect your eyes from the heat of the sun. So, class, it is important to wear sunglasses when you go outside to protect your eyes from the harmful heat of the sun. Everybody, let us read this. Wearing sunglasses
Wearing sunglasses
is important.
is important
Going outside.
in going outside
Protect our eyes
to protect our eyes
from a harmful heat
from the harmful heat
of the sun.
of the sun.
Very good. Now let us proceed to the second picture. Now, class, what have you noticed in the second picture? Yes, myself.
A girl reading under a dim light.
Very good. So, class, we all know that we are experiencing a power shortage here in Puerto Galera. So, who among of you experienced to read and write in a dim place or room?
Me, teacher.
Oh, so what was your experience? Did you finish what you are doing?
No, teacher.
Okay, so could you read and write properly in the dim light? What did your eyes will feel? Yes, Sarah Jane?
My eyes will get hurt,
Your eyes
teacher.
will get hurt. Very good. So, class, what is the right thing we should do to take care of our eyes to avoid a common childhood health condition? Yes, myself.
We should read in the place where the light is good, teacher, so we can read and write properly.
Very good. So everybody, let us read this. Read in the place.
Read in the place
Where the light
where the light
is good.
is good.
So we can read.
So we can read
and write.
and write
properly.
properly.
Take care our eyes too.
Take care of our eyes too.
Very good. Now let us proceed to the picture number 3. Now class, what have you noticed about the picture number 3? Yes, myself.
There is a girl washing her face.
Very good. So class, do you also wash your face?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, myself. When do you usually wash your face?
I usually wash my face after during every morning, teacher.
Very good. So class, do you also wash your face after going outside?
Yes, teacher.
You also wash your face after going outside. So class, why do you think we need to wash our face after walk out and after going outside? Yes, Sarah Jane.
So that our face and eyes are become clean, teacher.
Very good. So that our face and our eyes are become clean. So class, after washing your face, what you should do to dry your face? Yes, myself.
I use clean towel, teacher.
Very good. Use a clean towel. So class, what will happen if you do not wash your face? Yes, myself.
Our face become dirty and it also
Very
can
good. Our face become dirty. So class, what is the right thing we should do to take care of our eyes to avoid common childhood health condition? Yes, Sarah Jane.
We should wash our face to keep our eyes clean to avoid any bacteria that is harm to our eyes.
Very good. Everybody, let us read this. We should wash.
We should wash
our face.
our face,
Keep our eyes
keep our eyes
clean. To avoid any bacteria.
to avoid any bacteria
Harm
that is harm
to our eyes.
to our
Very
eyes.
good. Now for the last picture. Class, what have you noticed about the last picture? Yes, Sarah Jane.
The boy is sleeping, teacher.
Very good. So, class, what time do you usually sleep? Yes, Sarah Jane.
8 p.m. teacher.
Very good. So, how much time do you sleep every day? Yes, Sarah Jane.
8 hours, teacher.
Very good. So, class, how much time do you think we need to sleep? Yes, myself.
8 hours or 8 to 10 hours.
8 to 10 hours. So, what do you think we need to sleep 8 to 10 hours every day? Yes, myself.
So our eyes can rest, teacher.
Very good. So, our eyes
And get
can get enough rest. So, what do you think will happen to our eyes if we are lack of sleep? Yes, Maradel.
our eyes will be damaged, teacher.
Very good. Our eyes will get damaged. So, what is the right thing we should do to take care of our eyes to avoid common childhood health condition? Yes? Yes, Giselle?
We have to sleep 8 to 10 hours every day so that our eyes can get enough rest to avoid common childhood health conditions.
Very good. Everybody, let us read this. We have to sleep.
We have to sleep
8 to 10 hours every day.
8 to 10 hours every day
So that our eyes
can
can get enough rest
get enough rest
avoid
to avoid
common childhood health condition.
childhood health conditions.
Very good. Class, again, what are the 4 ways to take care of our eyes to avoid common childhood health condition? Yes, Giselle?
The 4 ways to take care of our eyes to avoid common childhood health conditions are wearing a sunglasses, read in a place where the light is good, wash our face to keep our eyes clean, and sleep 8 to 10 hours every day.
Very good. So, do you have any question regarding our discussion today?
None, teacher.
Very good. So, if you really understand our discussion, then how can we describe ways of caring the eyes in order to avoid common childhood health conditions? Yes, Sarah Jane.
We can describe ways to take care of our eyes by wearing sunglasses, read and write in a well-lighted place, keep our eyes clean by washing them, and have a sleep at least 8 to 10 hours every day.
Very good. Who wants to repeat the answer of Sarah Jane? Yes, Giselle.
We can describe ways to take care of our eyes by wearing glasses, read and write in a well-lighted place, keep our eyes clean by washing them, and have a sleep at least 8 to 10 hours every day in order to avoid common childhood health conditions.
Very good. Everybody, let us read this. We can take care.
We can take care
our eyes
of our
by
eyes
wearing sunglasses.
by wearing sunglasses,
Read and write in a well-lighted place.
read and write in a well-lighted place,
Keep our eyes clean by washing them.
keep our eyes clean by washing them,
And have a sleep at least 8 to 10 hours
and have a sleep at least 8 to 10 hours
every day
every day
in order to avoid
common
childhood health conditions.
childhood health conditions.
Very good. So everybody, let us stand up. Please stand up. Goodbye and thank you, grade 2.
Goodbye and thank you, teacher.